Welcome to the Academic Success and Advising Center's mini workshop series. Our goal is to provide short but helpful presentations that will assist you with academic skills. This successful online learning presentation offers some tips to get you ready for any online classes or remote work. Enjoy! First, set up your virtual desk. Make sure you have a well-lit and comfortable area away from as many distractions and interruptions as possible. It would help greatly if you silence all electronic devices to avoid getting distracted by texts or other alerts on your cell phone. Also, keep a drink or snack handy. This will prevent you from having to get up and disrupt any focus you might have on a particular task. Managing time is key to online work, and mastering this skill will be important. This slide offers 6 time management tips for online work. First, make sure you establish some sort of routine to develop good study habits and time management skills. Second, if you take that routine and create a daily schedule, you'll more likely stay on task. Third, start your day with some sort of to-do list to get you going. Fourth, work for focused chunks of time with breaks in between to refresh your mind. And the 5th and 6th tip can be combined. Make sure you utilize some sort of planner or calendar to mark in your assignments and manage deadlines. Can you come up with any of your own tips to add? You'll develop some of your own habits for online work, but here are a few to keep in mind. Take breaks. Always give yourself a chance to walk around, do something non-work related when the time is appropriate, and then get back to focusing. Always read the feedback from your professors. They typically provide this electronically on the document or on Moodle, so it's important to review this whenever you have the opportunity. Avoid social media and other distractions that often come from your phone. Do those kinds of things when you give yourself that break. Also, please never forget to ask for help when you need it. All faculty and staff on campus want you to succeed. Communication is key. Always be sure, especially when in an online class, to reach out to your professor with any questions or to clarify instructions. If you don't fully understand an assignment, ask for a meeting with your professor to make sure you're completing it correctly. I can't emphasize this enough. Check your email daily. And be sure to respond in a timely manner to professors, classmates, and staff reaching out to you. There are numerous resources available to you on campus, so use them. We hope you found this mini workshop helpful, and good luck with any online work.